Welcome to Obligr.com. Log in to your account on Obligr. After login, click on Voice Manager on left-hand menu option. Now, click on Add Caller ID option. Enter a title from which you remember your caller ID name. Now, enter your mobile number from which you want to send voice calls. Click on Submit. On top of your screen, you will see a message, Caller ID successfully add. Now, you will receive an OTP on your caller ID mobile number. Enter OTP. If you have not received the OTP, then click on Resend Verify OTP. As I have received it, so I have entered it, and then clicked on Verify OTP. OTP is verified, and caller ID successfully verified. Now, Goto Manage Caller ID for adding more caller ID, and you can delete caller ID. That's it. Now you have learned how to add caller ID on Obligr platform. Now check next video for further use. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.